Should I take this or not? There's a lot of hard.
Hundred, 400, 300,
Few minutes to take off. I'm gonna try to land now. No, no. The steering wheel. Still not right on the runway, but managed to land. I got. What's happening? It's so hard to control. So I'm gonna try to land right here. Not in the runway. Oh god. Not in the runway. Oh, just landed. No. Guess I can't land here. Wait, I'll put zero head on. And this was also a voice reveal. I'm gonna try land on this airport, but I don't know if I can. I'm just trying.
One thousand. Five hundred. 400. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30.
Almost hit that. Oh god, I'm gonna.
200. 100. 50. 30. 10. 200.
I won't be able to land right on the runway, but I have to use the airport. Wait, let me try doing butter, not on landing, like just by on. Oh god, I'm gonna crash. Ooh, boo, hit me. Oh, I landed. Okay, let me just try doing.
100. 50. 40. 30.
I'm gonna stop the video after I do a part. Oh god. Not about blood. Okay. Next try. Almost. I'm trying to make a Minecraft video. I have a Nintendo, so I'm trying to make. I don't know how to record this on the Nintendo because it doesn't have any screen recorder or anything. But it can record, but it doesn't especially on this one. I'll try landing on the other airport. No, not the airport. Oh god. Kinda buttered though. Wait, not in this one. Oh god, I'm stalling. Crash. Okay, let me just land. drift. Okay, watch. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna drift. Yes. First time. Interesting. Almost. I'm drifting. How speed am I going? I'm going 60 something. That's how I butter land, okay? Wait, first take off. I'm gonna try to butter. Just don't tell anything in the comments. Please comment and like, subscribe also, man. I wish if I had a lot of subs. Just like it, okay? Like sub. I just want to be a great content creator. That was border. Once when we were going to Australia and landed, it was such a nice butter. So I'm gonna take off again. Sideways. Oh my god. Okay, I just did that. And please just try to give me some money, man. I just don't have money. I'm broke. Oh, God. We can only go. I wanna go to this. No, I wanna go to the. Yeah. I don't know where I landed. I mean, check. Oh, there's a lot of headwind. Oh, what is happening? How much headwind? Oh my god. I'm gonna try to take off in one place. Oh my god. Did you see that? I took off in one place. And now I'm gonna land in one place. Oh god, oh god. Stop. Oh god. Better. Oh god, no better. I'm gonna just scrape my oh god. Yeah. And if you're wondering what game this is, it's Infinite Flight. My road to 20 million is like, I would wish if I had just had at least $1,000. I mean, not dollars, not dollars, no, subs. I'm gonna end the video from here, guys. Bye. Wait, I'm gonna crash this. Wait, no. Oh, it doesn't go down. I'll just try to land it or something and just. Oh god, I can't land it. I'll crash it. Straight down.